Hi guys, my name is Julian John D. Salugsugan from grade 9 Hebro, and this is PTTLE, Creating Crossover Network Cable. Step 1, memorize the color code combination before doing this activity below. You could see the colors assigned for each pin. Step 2, cut the cable insulator to show all the 8 wires and strip off the insulator. Step 3, separate all 8 wires and position all 8 wires according to its assigned pins in RJ45.
Kailangan namin mag-recruit para mabuo ulit ang pulutong. Ang pangako mo. Ang pangako mo. Tumalon ka na! Anak ng tiyagan. Kanang kamay pa naman kita. Tinutulungan mo siyang tumaas. God damn it, Valdir. Once a soldier, always a soldier! Tumalon ka na!
Step 4, position all 8 wires and make sure that all are in proper pin assignment. Step 5, cut the wires and make sure that the cuts are even and small enough for the RJ45. And step 6, insert all wires inside the RJ45 with the orange wire on your left and the RJ45 facing up towards you. Make sure all wires reach the pins. Step 7, crimp the RJ45 using the crimping tool. Step 8, then test your cable using network cable tester. That's all. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Julian John D. Salugsugan from grade 9 Hebrew.